Hello guys, this is my channel. This always channel will encourage by the digital marketing latest videos. So today I discuss about topic for Facebook new future. So everyone using for Facebook option. Okay. So what is the Facebook new future? The new future will be people watching for mobile friendly Facebook. That is called this is a classic version. So how is I activate the new version and new features? Now previous, if you're selecting for any kind of videos, any post, we can selecting for right click. We can have option will be working for in the particular video option will be there. But new future, a lot of changes are there. This is totally mobile friendly version. So how we can activate for the new version? Simple one, we can go to logout option. In this we have new feature will be there. Switch to new Facebook. And remember guys, anytime you can go to new feature and the classic feature. Both version will be there. This is a new feature. This new feature total mobile friendly completely. So select here. This is totally mobile friendly. So in the video, right click is not working. How is it working for? Here is a working. Here is a save video. Every option will be there. You can see this one. The video working for right click, not working for new version. You can see this one. See this one. This will be only working for particular images. So here. So everything. Coming to the video is not working for links. So how it is working for? Here is a working for links will be here. So clear, these all will be new future. It all will be options are there, your particular things. And coming to the every option will be there. These all will be particular options will be here, the particular things. These all your shortcuts. Next, these all your chart persons and everything will be here and the particular option. If you go to new version to classic version, once again you go to back, the option will be switch to classic version. In a new version, one more method is called dark mode. So using any kind of heavy light, we can go for dark mode feature also will be there. This totally we can give by mobile version. So this will be total will give by mobile version. If you go to classic version, simple tricks. We can go to will be here classic version. Here will be set your page, ad, group, event and marketing place listing. Here we can what are the content you're posting will be here. These are the features. Photo and video, GIF, tag friends, check-in, feeling activity, live video, support non-profit and watch party. These all option will give by particular users to create the option. Now we have one question is there. So how can we can copy from video URLs? The simple technique here. So what are the video will be playing here? Just we can watch. In this video, click here where you can copy link. You can paste it in this particular option. Paste the link and play the video in the particular option. This video will be playing and you can download by using for any third-party tool softwares. So this is called, we can copy link to the, when play the video, we can copy link for particular videos in the new version. But classic version not required for these all options. Classic version will be when you click for the right click on the video, they show you for copy link will be acceptable. But in the new version, after playing this video, we can copy link will be successful will be working. So this is will be new feature and classic feature for Facebook option. Use the features on the Facebook. One is a desktop friendly. Second will be desktop and mobile friendly option for the new version on the Facebook option. Lot of changes going on in the Facebook in the latter. So if you open any Facebook pages, they open for the all will be new versions is a complete different by the classic version. If you go to classic version, simple like this. Lot of changes is going on in the classic and new version option. So this is a feature you can enable and use it for the particular Facebook profile option.